What is up, guys? Yes. All right, guys, what is up? All right, so today or right now, we're going to be setting up your fonts and your colors, right? And so here's what's cool. This is one of my favorite parts about our builder, Aspire Builder. Once you actually set your fonts, once you set your colors, it works on every single one of the pages, right? And so it saves a ton of time. All right, so I'm going to share my screen, and we're going to dive right into it. And all right, so here's the thing. If you guys are logged into your Aspire Builder, you guys are going to see this is the shop that we are working on creating. And now here's the cool thing, right? Aspire Builder has global settings, right? If you guys go over here, there's this little paintbrush, right? And you guys are going to see it actually has every single thing that you can imagine, right? You have your text stylings, you have your ad fonts, your color palettes, and your website layouts, right? So you could actually have however you want your website laid out, right? Inside here, right, inside ad fonts, here's what's really amazing, right? Not only do they have all of Google fonts, right? So you could literally click add font and they have every single Google font here, right? So there is a ton of Google fonts that you could actually add. And it connects right in. If you want to add Roboto, you just click on it and then it adds. And now this becomes something that you can select as you're building out your websites. Or if you guys ever heard of Creative Market, right? Creative Market is where you could find a bunch of like custom professional fonts. There's also a ton of other like graphics and images and mockups and templates. But if you guys were just to look at the fonts, you guys can see right here, there's just some absolutely beautiful fonts that you can come in here and grab, like Hello Honey. That's a good one for a female brand, anything like that, right? And then you could just upload custom font, and you can actually upload your font in here, and now will be usable inside your website, right? The other one is the color palette, right? So you can actually switch out your color palettes here. This is going to be adjusting the things on the page, right? How does your buttons look? How does your words look? How does the backgrounds look? All right, and so that's how you'll actually setting up that, right? Right, so that's your fonts. The other thing, right? So here's another thing, right? This is inside your settings here, right? This has more to do with the design and how your website feels and looks. If you go to your favicon is this little image right here up at the top. You can go and upload an image right here, and that will put that on here. And then you can also see your social sharing image, right? So anytime you share your website on Facebook or you share it to somebody, this is going to be the image that pops up. This will be the default image. So if you never switch up if you never add custom images to every single page, this is what's going to show up, right? So I'm going to come in here. One of the websites I like using to design any type of graphics, unless I'm going to pay someone to do graphics, like make it better, is a website called Canva, right? And so you guys will see the link below. So you guys go to this website too. This will be just a great place so you could quickly edit and create your graphics and your images, right? So the one and only, right? I'm going to make my image, right? So this is going to be my social shared image. I'll make this a little smaller. Garage Growers. Boom. All right. Make that a little bigger. Not that big. Perfect. All right. So this is going to be my social share image. All right. Perfect. And I'm going to hit download. And I'm just going to go to my website, and now I can upload a file, and I can upload Garage Growers. Perfect. All right, so that's going to be your social share image. I would highly recommend getting that set up, and then I will come back later and get my favicon set up. And here's the thing: is sometimes I hire graphic designers to do some of those little things, create my favicon. Sometimes I just do it myself using Canva, and so it's totally up to you. Once you have those in place, you are good to go on this lesson. And so, congratulations.